The increase of wastewater in Bangkok's rivers and canals has been affecting living standards, including health, consumption, and career of Bangkok residents. Nowadays, polluted water in the lower part of the Chao Phraya River has disastrous effect to the economy, society, and ecosystem. A study found that 72.6% of the total wastewater in the Chao Phraya River came from residences, restaurants, markets, department stores, factories, which are located along the riverside, including water transportation. These activities have been discharging wastewater and garbage into the rivers. Therefore, water pollution has been spread rapidly around Bangkok. The Department of Drainage and Sewerage, or DDS, of Bangkok Metropolitan Administration, or BMA, has implemented several wastewater treatment schemes. Construction of water environment control plants becomes one of the schemes of BMA to control water quality to be standard before discharging into rivers and canals. The phraya Water Environment Control Plant is one of the wastewater treatment plants under the supervision of the Department of Drainage and Sewerage, DDS BMA. The plant has been operated since January 1994 with construction costs of 464.4 million Thai baht. It is situated on the mouth of the Padung Krung Kasem Canal, Phraya Road in Bang Rak District. The plant covers catchment area about 2.7 square kilometers, consisting of some parts of Pom Prap Satru Pai District, including Pom Prap and Wat Thep Sirin Sub-District, Sampantawong districts including Talat Noi Sub-District, and Bang Rak District including Mahaputralam Sub-District, which serves around 120,000 people. Its total capacity for wastewater treatment is 30,000 cubic meters a day. The phraya Water Environment Control Plant covers South Bamrung Mueang Road in the north from Krung Kasem Road to Suan Mali and both sides of Yukon Road. Also, the plant is adjacent to Phraya Road in the south from the bank of Chao Phraya Riverside to Rama 4 Road in the north and the east from Rama 4 Road to Bamrung Mueang Road in the west, including from Bamrung Mueang Road to Jaran Krung Road and from Seapa Road to Song Sawat Road and from Jaran Krung to the bank of the Chao Phraya River. The wastewater treatment usually starts its operation by gathering wastewater from all service area into the phraya Water Environment Control Plant, where the combined sewer system is operated. The system consists of two interceptor lines. The first line is approximately 2.275 kilometers in length, located on Krung Kasem Road. Meanwhile, the second line is about 1.2 kilometers, located on Phraya Road. In addition, the Phraya Water Environment Control Plant has developed a number of 81 interceptor chambers throughout the serviced area. The wastewater then will be carried to meet those two interceptors in order to adjust the water quality at Phraya Treatment Plant before discharging into the Chao Phraya River. After the wastewater is carried from communities into the main wastewater treatment plant, the treatment process then will be operated daily. Due to the limitation of space, the building and workplace at the Phraya Water Environment Control Plant was designed to be the 3-story high, and each story manages its own wastewater treatment system. The sewage treatment system at the Phraya Water Environment Control Plant is a biological treatment method using contact stabilization process, which is adapted from the activate sludge process. The first stage of the treatment process is to remove larger solid material such as wooden chips, plastic bags, pieces of cloth from the wastewater by using automatic bar screen in order to protect the pump and other equipment in the treatment plant. It is then followed by the removal of small organic solids such as paper and weed by using the fine screen. Following the preliminary treatment, the wastewater is passed through the equalization tank where the rest of the wastewater is stored and adjusted to be ready for the next treatment process. The wastewater then will be stirred by a mixer inside of the tank and flowing to the grit chamber to screen out grit and sand by using the airlift pump in order to prevent the treatment machines from being damaged. After filtering, the wastewater will then be pumped to the next step of treatment. The second stage is a biological treatment process, which will separate the suspended solids and dissolved solids from wastewater by using contact tank and clarifier tank. The contact tank performs an oxygen supply to feed suspended microorganisms in order to absorb organic matter from the wastewater to grow in size and number. After completing the contact tank process, the wastewater will then be pumped to the clarifier tank, which is a sediment tank to accumulate suspended microorganism to settle to the bottom of the tank as sludge. Meanwhile, the wastewater will flow over weir to the barrier on the water's surface into chlorine tank to disinfected bacteria before discharging into the Phraya River. The treated wastewater, on the other hand, can be reused for reducing foams in oxidation tank or even be recycled for plant watering, toileting, and cleaning in the phraya Water Environment Control Plant. The sediment at the bottom of the tank will be divided into two parts. The first part is those microorganism sludge, which will then be reprocessed in the contact tank. Meanwhile, the second part will be carried into the sludge thickener tank in order to increase concentration of the sediment by using polymer. After that, they will be sent to storage tank, which contains oxidation to protect odors of them. After that, they will then be dried out by using a pressing machine with polymer to remove the water. After that, the remainder will be sent to the anaerobic digestion at Nongcam Water Environment Control Plant. For several years, the phraya Water Environment Control Plant has been established to provide efficient wastewater treatment service for Bangkok residents. However, the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration has been responsible for expenses of operating, developing human resources, training, and maintenance. These expenses are 100 million baht per annum when the operation of all BMA wastewater treatment plants is taken into account. On the other hand, it would be better if the Bangkok residents are able to share these expenses so that BMA can allocate the budget to develop other services. Therefore, it is necessary for BMA to implement the wastewater treatment charge for members of the community with the reason what we are the one who pollute the water, we should take responsibility, or it is based on the universal concept that polluter pay principle.